Okay, next we're going to trace images. You can zoom in and out by rolling the middle mouse button. Wherever your cursor is, that's where it's going to zoom in and out. Okay? Sometimes your image might be too small, right? And you can find it. You can type Z, that's a shortcut for zoom, spacebar for enter, and then E, option for extent, spacebar or enter. And it will zoom to the extent of the drawing. Okay? So zoom in and out using your middle mouse button. Or if you want to, Z spacebar, E spacebar to zoom to the extent. Okay? Now, middle mouse button, if you press it, hold it, and move it around, you can pan your drawing around. Okay? So, I want to now trace this by using the line command. L is a shortcut key for line, L. And then you zoom in as close as you can. Start the line command, pan, zoom in, zoom out, and start tracing. So for lines, you simply use the line command. If you want to change the color, hit escape to cancel. Change the color, you can select a different color here. So maybe red, so it will be visible. Again, type L. Notice that it snaps to the end point. That's actually perfect, beautiful, but sometimes you might not want to snap to the end point. There are times or cases that you don't want to. Simply type F3 so that it doesn't snap to the end point. Notice it doesn't snap now. Press F3 again, and then it will snap to the end point. So to be exact, if you want to be exactly at the end point of that line, make sure Object Snap is on. F3 turns it on and off. It's a toggle switch. Okay? So, this time it's on. I'm going to use that. Zoom out. Okay? Get as close as possible and trace. Okay, we're not going to trim or erase. We'll do that on Tuesday. I just want you to trace as much as you can until Tuesday when we meet next meeting on Thursday 11. Okay, so that's drawing lines. If you want to change the color of the line that you've drawn, you can select the line and then change that color. Okay, if you're not able to see the line, again, change that color. If you're not able to see the line, maybe it's at the back of the image, you can select the line, right click, draw order, and say bring to front. Okay. So I'll change that color, line color to red, and I'll continue tracing this as much as I can for Thursday. Now, for curves, you need to use a spline. SPL is the shortcut. So SPL, maybe I'll start here. Okay, maybe here. And maybe go out. Now, this is a little bit challenging, so if you're not familiar with curves, you might need to do it one curve at a time. Okay, maybe I can still go further up to here and go around, curve. Okay, click. Once you're done, you can hit the, okay, maybe I can still continue. Once you're done, you can hit the enter key. Do not hit escape, otherwise it will be erased. Make sure you hit enter or space bar to accept. So, creating curves, use the SPL tool. creating lines, use the L tool. Okay? So, from now until Thursday, you're going to be tracing this. On Thursday, I'm going to show you how to trim, erase, and change the colors to specific line weights.